Hey guys, welcome to our channel tutarena. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add the people through their username in Telegram. At first you have to open the Telegram app. Here you can see at the top left corner of your screen the search bar, tap on it, and right there you have to write the name of the person that you want to add. You have to enter the username of that person. And right there I have found out the person that I want to add. So let's tap here, and now it's time to add this contact to my contact list. And here I have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and now it will show you a lot of options. Now find add to contact. In this way you can add this person in your contact list. Now tap here, and right here you can customize the name as your choice. Now tap done here. Let's send hi to the person. See how easy it is. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe our channel and leave a like. See you with another video. Till then, bye bye.